Hey there! Want to make some extra cash without the hassle? In this video, we're diving into a free scratch and earn app that lets you earn real money just by scratching cards. It's super easy and totally free. Whether you're looking for a fun way to make a little pocket money or just curious about earning apps, this one's for you. So grab your phone and let's get scratching. Before we start, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I share incredible methods to make money online that can be done from anywhere in the world. Comment below with your country and I'll create specific videos tailored to your region. Now, let's get started. Play, win, and earn real money with a scratch card game. Dive into the cash-filled fun with Cupcake Cash App. Enjoy a sweet adventure of luck and rewards as you scratch off delicious cupcakes to reveal exciting real cash prizes. Just swipe your finger across the screen to uncover awesome surprises and score some amazing rewards. With super easy controls, eye-catching designs, and gameplay that pulls you in, Cupcake Cash gives you a gaming experience that's totally addictive. Scratch and win. Get ready for some fun. Scratch and win awesome prizes. Every scratch brings you closer to real cash rewards and cool surprises. Get your friends to join the fun and earn more for life. As they hit their lucky streaks, you'll score rewards too. Boost your earnings and create a network of lucky players together. Play with friends. See who can rack up the most scratch card wins on the leaderboard. Invite your buddies and challenge them to a coin collecting showdown for the top spot. Let's turn some friendly competition into awesome rewards. Daily bonuses. Keep the fun rolling with awesome daily bonuses and surprises. Just log in every day to snag special rewards and up your chances of hitting it big. The more you play, the more you score. The best part? You can cash out your earned rewards using popular payment methods like PayPal, Cash App, Alipay, Paydum, Zelle, or grab gift cards for iTunes, Amazon, Google Play, Steam, Sephora, Paysay, Walmart, and more. Ready to turn your love for gaming into some real cash and tasty rewards? Download Cupcake Cash now and dive into a fun adventure where every scratch could bring you sweet success. Before we finish up, I'd really like to hear what you think about making money with mobile games. Have you tried any other apps? How did it go for you? Leave a comment below and share your story. Thanks for watching. If you found the video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. See you in the next video.